What's up, guys? So hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to kind of bring you along. I'm going to be taking off these ugly ass turn signals. I don't know what Honda was thinking. You know, everybody complains and bitches about the suspension on these CRF300Ls. My complaint is the turn signals. The easy way. All I got right now. Screwdrivers, screw meat drivers. Come out of there. What the fuck? And I think I want to pull this off. I think. It's like a 5 or 6 millimeter, but all the sizing in this bike. See what we got. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just taking the light off, try to get lost. Alright, so there's 4 screws that hold the mounting bracket for your console. And they're not a pain to get to. They're only a pain to get to if you're me. Alright, so this I think is pretty simple to pop off. It's a little weird because you have some, I think this one has like a post on it that goes in. You'll see here. Or is it might be this top one. Kind of have to finagle it a little. But shouldn't be too bad because there we go. I've got that off. Now the light, I think. Make sure the light just unplugs. I cannot. Oh, why is this being a cocksucker? There we go. They're not. We did okay. So okay. Nice and easy. So these are kind of weird, man. The way they have them like locked in. There's a couple different pieces that you have to deal with, and I don't remember. So, this shit. You know, I'll be honest. If you want, at this point, you could just cut these, just pull them. Which kind of sounds like a good idea to me, but also I wouldn't mind keeping the damn stock turn signals just to have around. Now, oh, you know what? Okay, this cuts out like this. Good thing you don't fucking want to put a new one in. Jesus. You'd be like, fish out the wire through there. That seems to get hung up on every fucking thing. Like that. There's 3 or 4 different fucking apparatuses. This one's bent a little from being dropped. So I'm gonna put the what am I putting on here? The Zeta hand guards with the turn signal. That'll be my choice for the front, like the built-in turn signal on the hand guards. So we're gonna use a Dremel tool. I forget what, RotoZip or something. This is not a RotoZip brand. This is a Harbor Freight $40 battery charge one, which is kind of cool. And I'm thinking it'll work just enough to get in there. I'm hoping anyway. Got a couple different cutoff wheels. We got the diamond cutoff wheels. We're gonna probably try these first. And then we got the regular carbon cutoff wheels. Actually, yeah, so we'll see how it goes. So I'm assuming you guys can see what the hell's going on, what's going on. But so this was on here like this. We just removed this so that we could fit our tool underneath of it. Here's where it's probably gonna get tricky. All right, so I went ahead and finished trimming off these sides here. Got it as flat as I could, and then hit it with a little spray paint. Let me see if I could show you kind of what we're. So right, kind of in the middle of your screen. Let me see if I. All right, we got her. Just hold it. All I'm doing right now is just starting the bolts. I don't want them tight or anything like that. Move this around. La-dee-da-dee-da. What if they're all in? So what happens is these back turn signals, when you drop the bike, the way they're mounted, it has cracked this. I mean, it's pretty much broke this piece of plastic all the way off. There's this much just holding this plastic piece on. I'm halfway tempted just to say hell with it, break it the rest of the way, but not sure. See, it's like it's just bullshit. This is from one drop, and it's the whole undertail section. It's simple. Essentially, what you do is you have this locking clip in the back. That's how I would describe it. You have another little piece. It's kind of attached or locks in, you know, whatever. But snaps in that little hole. That snaps in that little hole. Big hole. These out. Let's go. Be nice to have that. I don't, but I have this. So we're gonna use some fucking black duct tape. However, and I think that's fine, man. You know, I don't think that's bad. Somebody has something to say about that, they can kiss my ass. I can't help it. This side doesn't look so bad. But actually looks like a damned old dirt bike, huh? Sweet. Alright, I'm gonna clean up my mess. And yeah, I don't know. I need to get some gas in this thing, so I might go do that too. What's up, dudes? So, yeah, I'm kind of excited. I took the bike for a ride. My damn GoPro died on me. The battery wasn't charged, so I couldn't take you guys to the damn gas station. Blah, blah, blah. Excuses, right? Anyway, I decided, since I couldn't take you guys to the gas station, I'll just bring you here. Check it out. First of all, look at that fine, sexy thing. Girl, be careful. Anyway, this is like a little park. Well, it doesn't look. It's a garden, like a community garden thing, and a little dog park and like a kid park and all that up there, and it kind of parallels this. You know, I don't know if this is a. I guess this is a creek that feeds into a river, but either way, dude, it's kind of dope. I will say this water's way up. I mean, it has been raining for a couple days now. It's the first time the sun's been out in a while, but yeah, what you see over there, you see the hill and it drops on that berm, and you have like a little beach area right there. Well, you know, it's mud, it's not a beach area, but you get what I'm saying. That's like a fraction of the size of what it normally is. Usually it comes way out in the middle, but this is kind of cool.